Hi everybody, today's Wednesday, April 29th. We're going to be doing our word work. We're starting with the rhymes. Remember, I say it, you repeat it, and then give me a thumbs up if it rhymes or if it ends the same. Thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme, okay? Live, give. Live, give, rhyme. Lane, make. Lane and make don't rhyme. They do not end the same. For, tore. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. My, she. Nope, my and she do not rhyme. Little, brittle. Yep, little and brittle rhyme. Okay, onset fluency, beginning sounds. I'll say it, you repeat it. High, help, huh. Jam, joy, ja. Card, corn, k. Live, leap, l. Meal, mine, Great job. We're going to blend our words together next. Blanket, blanket. Your turn. Pillows, pillows. Cozy, cozy. Slippers, slippers. Dreaming, dreaming. I sensed a theme on that one. All things to do with your bed and sleeping. Okay, we're going to do our middle sounds. At, your turn. Good. P, n, e. It, I. Pot, p, ought, ah. Bug, Okay, great job. Get your choppers out. Remember, I'll present and chop, and then you do it. Sweater, sweater. Mittens, mittens. Zipper, zipper. Sledding, sledding. Friendly, friendly. Okay, great job. Okay, we're going to add our syllables together. We're going to start with the word care and add full at the end to make careful. We're going to start with the word harm and add full at the end to make harmful. We're going to start with the word great and add full at the end to make grateful. We're going to start with the word joy and add full at the end to make joyful. We're going to start with the word help and add full at the end to make helpful. Good. Okay, now we're going to delete a syllable and take one away. We have the word charter. Take away what's left? Chart. We have the word clipper. Take away what's left? Clip. We have the word hotter. Take away what's left? Hot. We have the word warmer. Take away What's left? Warm. We have the word colder. Take away What's left? Cold. Good job. Okay, remember we're doing ba ba black sheep. You repeat after me. Ba ba black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Okay, we'll learn some more of that tomorrow. See you.